Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.
Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show us how we can create a logo mockup, a professional logo mockup using the site called Photopea. So I'm going to, so this is my Chrome browser, so you can use any browser of your choice, but for me I prefer Chrome browser. Photopea. Now here is the website, there it is. You can see it here. So I will click on it. Then I've already done something that before, so they are showing me to reload. So once you open a Photopea website, this is how the interface looks like. So for you to create easy logo mockup without looking for where to get PSD file, so the Photopea website, they already have all those PSD files you might be looking for. So all you need to do is to click on this template right here. Click on the template, and it will redirect you to another interface, which is right here. So all you need to do after you see this, you just swipe your screen. You just swipe your screen to the left hand side. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'll just swipe on it. After I swipe on it, then I'll look for any mockup, any PSD file that I want. You can choose any one of your choice. But for me, I will go with any one that I prefer, that I know that is okay to my taste. So you can choose any of your choice. So but for me, I'm going with this. I think I'll go with this. After you click on the mockup, file, then you see a little image right here. Yeah, then you click on it. Then you give it a little time for it to load. Yeah, that's finished loading. So all you have to do now is to click on this layer right here. Yeah, this is layer. Just click on it. Then it will bring you this interface. Then after that, you will double click on this open space right there. Yeah, just double tap on it. After you double tap, then you go back to your layer. You can see the only thing that is left here. So you can now go to your layer and click on it. So all you have to do now is for you to click on your file right here. Yeah, this is a file. Click on file. Then you click on open and place. Click on open and place. Then it will direct you to your gallery where you save your already designed PSG logo. So here is mine. So I will click on it. Then give it a little time to load. Then after loading, you'll see something like this. So all you have to do is to extend your logo to any how you want it. Extend it to the size you want. Yeah, for me, like this is okay. So after that, you click on your layer once again. Then check on this icon right here, this eye icon right here. Just check on it. This website is very sensitive, so you just give it a time to react. So after that, you go to your layer once again. You can see that the former logo has disappeared, and here is your logo. So all you need to do now is to click on file once again. Then click on save as smart object, which is right here. Save as smart object. Now you can see object, smart object updated. So right now, what you do next is just to check on this, just to click here. Yeah, that little cancel icon. Then just click on it. Then give it a little time. Yeah, you can see that the mockup is ready. So after you have seen this, just go to file again. Then in export as, click on export as. Then you can export your logo as PNG, JPEG, but as for me, I'm going to save it as JPEG. So I click on it. Then I will click on save right here. So right now they are telling me that before I will save the logo, I have to watch an ad. So if I'm okay, I'll just click okay. Then I'll give it a little time. So right now you can see that they are telling me that video will play with sound. So if you are okay with that, then you click on continue. Where is the logo? So because I have already done a logo, I've already mocked up a logo with this particular file. So they are now showing me if I want to download again. So I will click on download again. Now my logo is ready. Then I will swipe my screen. Now here is this. Let me view it. You can see. Looking nice. You can see the logo is ready. So that is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.